Hey everybody, EDC Budget here. I'm going to show you guys my updated EDC. Let's get into it. Right here we got the Civivi Praxis Mini. This knife has been pretty good to me. I love the way it opens and closes. I was thinking about that, and I don't know if you guys have a Civivi or not, but the way this knife opens and closes is very smooth. It is a center lock, frame lock, excuse me, and this knife is very good, very sharp knife, looks good too, has a deep carry pocket clip, very sturdy, does the job, works pretty good. Let's see what else we got here. We have my secondary knife I carry on me. This is a Gerber Mini, about the size of my palm. Looks pretty good. It is titanium with a clip. Has these edge here. See if you can see that. There you go. Little edge. Pretty good knife. I have my 1300 lumens P100 can flashlight. Pretty good. My SOG PowerPoint multi-tool. Thing is awesome. Does the job. Works really good. Has the scissors, has everything you need with a clip. My hide and drink wallet. I got a cut like the patina look on it. Looks pretty good. Opens like so. And then we have also, I want to show you on my keychain, I have my extra mini flashlight. This is 700 lumens, so it's pretty good. It's a see-through one. My pry bar, my USB-C with lightning, USB-C to USB-C, Type-C to Type-C, my lighter with some electrical tape, and that's pretty much it here. And then I have some other items I want to show you guys. Let's see here. We have the next tool. It's pretty good. It has a scissors on it, a decently sized scissors as well. Let me grab it for you and show you. 1 second. There we go. Works pretty good. Okay. We have a blade on here. Blade's pretty sharp. Has a nail filer, can opener. Let's see what else it has on here. I want to show you. Well, it also has a blade, but this is by Next Tool. It's pretty good. I recommend. I also have a spider coat. Front flipper, spider flick. I love the design right here, and I like the little spider they got going on. And I think it's a really good knife. This is the Ambitious, I believe. The way it flicks, it's really nice. Do it again for you guys in the view. See here. There we go. Really good. Really good. The reference number on this is 8CR13MOV or M0V. There we go. And I am waiting for something in the mail from Big Idea Designs that is coming. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review on. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys can leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys thought about these items here, and let me know what you guys want to see and what you guys have. And thank you for watching. EDC Budget out.